Doubling down on protein, I see. What a perfect combination. See what I did there with the cat thing? Wow. This is gonna be something. This will be something, that's for sure. You guys sure know how to make a unique peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I am really lathering on the cat food and now questioning why I decided to do that. Okay. Yum! Okay, I guess I have to eat it now. Just put these two slices together, and we'll take a bite of, which you can clearly see is cat food and dead crickets. Going in. Here comes the choo-choo train. Okay, I'm just gonna do it. I'm sending it, full send. Oh my god. Oh, I can't move. It's disgusting. Oh god. It's great. Okay. Oh. It's so salty. Okay, I feel a lag under my tongue. Okay. Thank you guys for playing Choose the Ingredients. If you guys want to play again and try out different combinations, click here, or you can play a totally different interactive adventure by clicking here. And make sure to subscribe so you can stay tuned for all of our future interactive videos. I'll see you guys next time.